Do we need to spray around windows and doors separately with Pesti for targeted entry point control? When applying Pesti Smart Pest Plan products for targeted entry points, focus on creating a narrow, continuous treated band around exterior window and door frames that is separate from the full perimeter treatment. Use a low-pressure, coarse spray nozzle and maintain a bandwidth of approximately 2 to 4 inches so the solution adheres to the siding and frame without excessive runoff. Treat both sides of exterior doors where gaps or thresholds exist, and the lower 75% of window frames where insects commonly climb, and reapply after heavy rain or if you see visible degradation of the deposited residue. Start by brushing away loose debris and drying the surface so the product contacts the substrate directly, and avoid spraying glass where the residue can be unsightly or wiped away. For tight gaps and cracks under door thresholds, use a pinpoint spray or injector tip to place product precisely without over-application. Always keep records of treated locations and dates so you can schedule timely follow-ups and avoid unnecessary repeat treatments. The 3 most common mistakes are over-applying the product and causing runoff, which wastes material and creates staining, spraying indiscriminately on glass and painted surfaces, which leads to poor adherence and complaints, and neglecting to treat both sides of doors and lower window frames so pests bypass treated areas. To avoid runoff, apply in thinner controlled passes with the correct nozzle and wait between passes for absorption. If residue on glass is a concern, limit application to the frame and nearby trim and use a paint-safe product or wipe any overspray immediately. When access is limited, remove thresholds or use a specialized injector tip to deliver product into the void without spraying open areas. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like perimeter pest control so we can find local expertise and share experiences. Our community discussion boards let homeowners ask questions, read peer feedback about techniques like targeted entry point spraying, and let contractors showcase work and find new leads.